and I started digging into this field of, as you are speaking so vividly now, about, the team or people being able to have this expansive space to create, to fulfill, to be aligned with purpose or impact, and naturally kind of discover all these connections in their ecosystem, right? And for the last 8+ years, and now with this world record, we are literally wanna discover new ways that are the ways you talk today, how to embed them into the daily kind of into the daily being, into the daily work of the team, of the ecosystem. So the question would be, what do you think, what type of limited beliefs today are withholding, let's call it, traditionally linear top-down approach driven leaders, and what type of new probably beliefs we need, to discover in order to move towards more, this non-linear ways of fulfilling the impact?